Hello everyone, this is Quinn from Power Admin. Have you ever wondered when a drive might run out of free space? Or maybe you had a drive actually run out of free space and you had to scramble to get more space added or recover some of the space by removing files and data from those drives? Well, PA Storage Monitor and PA Server Monitor both have a great report that will help you predict when the drive might become full. So let's go ahead and show you how to run that report. First off, you do need to have disk space monitors added to your servers monitoring the drives, and they need to be there for a few days so that we have data to predict when the drive might be full. So once you have those monitors added on those servers and they've been there for a few days, you can go to the report section and go to the generate ad hoc report, and underneath the free disk space you can select the disk space summary report. And then for that report, just walk through the tabs selecting the criteria that you want for your report. Under report type, we're going to select table dynamic sortable columns. Under the source data, I have two servers selected here, and I've got the drives selected from each of those servers. On the group report tab, you have the ability to save this report to a folder underneath view existing reports. And by default, it'll come up to the ad hoc directory. But if you want to add them to a different directory, simply type in the name that you want, demo videos. And as you can see underneath view existing reports over to the left, you can see that I have the demo videos directory, and I also have some disk space summary reports already listed underneath there. On the last tab, filters and parameters, this is where you set your parameters to get the report that you want. On the first one, columns to show, we want to go ahead and select all of these columns. One important one for predicting if it's full is to make sure you have the predicted full checked. So let's go ahead and accept those. Then you can sort your report by the size, by check date, and predicted full date. We're going to go ahead and select by predicted full date. That way it pulls all of the drives up to the top of the report that have a predicted full date. Report units, we're going to go ahead and set that at gigabytes. And this threshold line setting will only appear if you're using or generating a report that's graphical. This is a chart, or this one is a table with numbers in it. So whether you have it set to yes or no, nothing will appear. Let's go ahead and generate the report. And as you can see, we have our the two computers and the drives that are on them, plus all of the information as far as use space and free space and total. And then over to the far right, you will see the predicted full column. We have 4 drives that have a predicted full date, and you can use those as a judgment call when you'll need to add more space. Another thing to note is that there are 2 that don't have a predicted full date. And those will happen, that's normal. There could be drives that, based on the data collected, free space will not run out within a certain period of time. And that's how you run this report. Thank you and have a great day.